Welcome back to Innovative Foods. Today I am making a delicious and flavor-packed chicken onion stir fry. A quick dinner idea, perfect with rice or noodles. Take 1 cup chicken breast piece and cut it into long strips. Cut chicken evenly for perfect frying. Place it in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 egg white, and 1/4 cup water. Mix well. Corn flour coating gives chicken a silky outer layer just like restaurant dishes. And keep aside for 10 minutes. In another bowl, mix half cup water with 1 chicken stock cube. And 1 tablespoon corn flour. Keep that aside. Heat 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 teaspoon green onion and 3 tablespoon onion. Cook for 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoon green onion. Cook 1 minute and keep aside. Green onions add flavors at 2 stages, frying and finishing. Don't overcook the onions, keep them slightly crunchy. Now add 2 tablespoon oil again. Pour in the marinated chicken and cook for 2 minutes. Stir frying is one of the fastest cooking method in the world. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add ginger garlic only after chicken changes color. And cook for 5 to 6 minutes until tender. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now add the chicken stock mixture. Add stock mixture slowly to avoid lumps. Mix until the sauce thickens. Add back the fried onions and cook for 2 minutes. Chicken is a great lean protein source. Green onions support immunity and digestion. Stir frying uses less oil than deep frying. This dish is rich in iron and essential minerals. Your flavorful chicken onion stir fry is ready. Simple, delicious, and perfect for any meal. What stir fry recipe should I make next? Like the video, follow the page, and subscribe to the channel for more easy homemade recipes.